everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share how I decorated Pooja Mandir with the bells. This is so easy when you have the bells at home. You all might have seen my popular video how to make DIY Pooja Mandir at USA. Now I want to decorate this one with bells. So let's see how I did it. For festivals or any other special pujas, we can decorate our mandir with these type of garlands. If you add the bells, it is giving so much traditional look and it gives a temple feeling. If you want to decorate your mandir with the bells, you will get it from India or you will get it from Amazon. Amazon, they are little bit pricey and the size also varies. So these bells are plastic and I purchased them from India. You get a variety of colors in India. These bells are 3 inches height. I purchased around 12 of them and I am going to see how many are going to fit for my mandir. With this thick thread, I made the knots for the bells to make them hang. And after that, this thread is in white color, so I wanted to apply the turmeric for this thread. So yellow color thread with the bells are ready and now it is time to hang them. Before attaching bells to the mandir, it is plain. This is the sticky tape I used to attach the bells. We can also use the double-sided tape. Before attaching these bells, I checked the height to hang them and I like to hang in different sizes. So with this sticky tape, I attached in behind in 5 different heights. After attaching 5 bells on each side as a layered one, it is looking like this. It is so perfect. I like the way how it is hanging. I also kept these 5 layered electric LED bulb diya lights for my mandir. It adds more beauty to the mandir and in the night time it looks so beautiful. I purchased these lights from the Amazon India site. So it comes with a plug and we need to use the converter. This is the toran I kept at the center of my mandir along with the bells at the sides. Most of these items are available from India or Indian stores or in Etsy. Please check them out. If you like this video, please give a like and share. I hope this video will be useful to decorate your mandir. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.